We finally have it. A digital media that allows you to print a full color design using your eco-solvent, solvent, or latex large format printer with, wait for it, a smooth, glittery finish. That's right, folks. Introducing Siser SparklePrint. Hey everyone, I'm Joe with Siser North America. Welcome to another episode of the Decoration Zone. In this episode, I'm going to take you through the entire application process for Siser SparklePrint. But before I do that, if you could all do me a huge favor and please press that like and subscribe button, we'd greatly appreciate it. Now, let's begin. All right, so I have my transfers of the SparklePrint printed and cut. The next step I'm gonna do is weed out my excess SparklePrint, and if you have any cavities, remove that. Now we have to mask the SparklePrint transfers. You can use Siser TTD Easy Mask or Siser TTD High Tack Mask, whatever you prefer to use. I have TTD Easy Mask here. Peel my paper backing off. Lay it with the sticky side facing up on my table and just roll my SparklePrint transfer across it. Use a squeegee, create a bond, and then peel your backing off. If you're not using it right away, save that paper backing, lay it back down. Now I can save my SparklePrint transfer for later. Now, moving on to the application process. With the application process, your heat press is going to be set to 311 degrees for SparklePrint. You want to be at a medium to firm pressure set, and you want to be pressing for about 15 seconds. So today I'm going to be using one of these awesome district tees we got from our friends at Samar. Thank you, Samar. First thing I'm going to do is check my pressure, make sure it's good for this garment. Feels about a medium to firm where I want to be. I'm going to preheat my garment for about 3 to 4 seconds. Line your SparklePrint transfer up. Use a cover sheet and press for 15 seconds. SparklePrint is a hot peel, so you don't have to wait till it cools down. And there you have it. Full vivid coloring, flashy look, and a smooth, glittery finish. That is the brand new Siser Sparkle in action. Now, we do only recommend using Siser Sparkle with cotton, polyester, or cotton poly blended fabrics. So if you want to find out more about that, check out our website, siserna.com. Now, before we end this video, I do also want to talk about something else with SparklePrint and how you can utilize it. So here is another option I don't typically talk about in my other digital media videos, but I do want to show this mainly for our wonderful authorized Siser distributors and resellers who are watching this. This is a wonderful idea you can now offer to your customers, the other viewers watching. I have a handful of custom, very random, easy patterns that we created just to show you what you can do with SparklePrint yourself and create some wonderful pattern sparkle for your business to offer to your customers that can then take the sheets of the custom sparkly patterns you made and bring it over to their vinyl cutter and cut out their own designs, just simply using whatever vinyl cutter they're using and a piece of Siser TTD Easy Mask or High Tack Mask. Then they can do their own customization without the worry of printing. So this is another option you can do with Siser Digital Medias, but SparklePrint, just because of the product itself, is extra unique with all these different patterns. We hope you're as excited about Siser SparklePrint as we are. If you want to find out more about SparklePrint, please contact your authorized Siser distributor today. If you don't have one of those, please contact us at info@siserna.com. If you want to find out more about all of our other digital medias or any of our other products, you can visit our website at siserna.com. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope this got you excited. I hope you're ready to use some SparklePrint. If you like this video, please make sure you give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that bell for more videos like this. Thank you all so much. I'm Joe with Siser, and I'll talk to you all very soon.